I'm making chicken soup today. It's chicken in the boiling pot over there. I mean, I forgot to start doing the video before I put everything. Let me grab some scooping. In my soup right here, I cannot put too close because it's gonna, the steam gonna get into the camera. This is a ginger root, ginger root, and this is cilantro. I normally put cilantro root, but because I don't have cilantro root and I use the whole cilantro, I bought it for this ginger root. I can leave it in here, but the cilantro in the next 10 minutes, I boil about 20 minutes, and then I will take it, scoop it out, and throw it away. So I get flavor in the pot soup. And this is the easiest way that I'm gonna show you, because I make it like, you know, just 2 bowls of soup. I use the wonton soup. See that? This one. Wonton soup, or any kind of brand you want. They say wonton soup. And that way, for the people who doesn't know how to put more ingredient, because that thing is already like instant mix soup for you. And then I boil it, and then that is my chicken. So I'm gonna dump the chicken in there. Put chicken into the pot, you gotta make sure that the soup it's boiling. So then, man bo khao no, no, it's when you put the soup, when you put chicken into the soup while it was boiling, then leave it like that until the chicken is all cooked. Guys, after you boiling for a little bit, you'll see all these. You can scoop it out to get more clear broth. So your soup will be more like clear and it tastes good. It's up to you. You can leave it like that, or you can scoop it out like me. Then your soup will be more clear. For the amount of the wonton soup, how much do I put in here? It's up to you, and it depends on how many or how much of water you put in there to make your chicken broth. So then you can just try it. For that instant wonton soup base mix, you don't need to put anything. No salt, no nothing, no fish sauce or anything. Just put that thing on and then let it cook. The only 2 things you need is ginger root and cilantro. I'm about to take cilantro away because it's already like 20 minutes. And also, this is the easiest, laziest way for me to do, or you can do it. It's easy. And this broth, you can make noodle soup. You can just eat it with rice, or you can just eat rice soup, or you can make it on the side. So when you're cooking, when you do anything, this kind of broth is like Asian taste. So you get the broth to cook your food. This broth is very useful. You can use for anything. See that? After let it sit. See? Oh my! The steam come up to my camera. Right? The easiest way to make the broth. And this soup, you can just eat it like this, or if what kind of vegetable you want to put in here, you can put anything. Bok choy, cabbage, or even cucumber, or you just like make it like this and pour it over the rice until you can make rice soup, or you can just use use it to make like stir-fry noodle, and this is the broth that you use, you know, like the chicken stock. So when you cook Asian dish, you get the Asian taste. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoy my video. This is the first video of 2020 and easiest, laziest way to make the broth. Alright, thank you for watching you guys. Please like, share, subscribe เป็นกำลังใจคนไก่บ้าน and จบคลิปตัวนี้สบายดี